be right around this corner. Yep. Well, I hung out there at the memorial for a little while, met a couple people, stopped and ate some leftover pizza that I had, and now I'm gonna do a little bit of exploring. I'm looking for the other campgrounds to see what's all available. The weird thing is they don't really have addresses I could find online, so I'm just kind of guessing. The roads out here are something else too. Like, they are twisty, windy, up and down, and then on top of that, every mile-per-hour sign you see is 55. So yeah, I don't think people are doing 55 out here, but yeah, some might be. You never know. I saw a random road on a GPS and figured I'd just take it. Don't know what it looks like, and it's closed. So what I turned off on was called the Lincoln Highway, which it doesn't really look like it goes anywhere. That goes like nowhere. Over to a highway, that's about it. Let's chill out here for a second. Well, sorry about that, my battery died. Luckily I got a spare. I haven't used the one on my handlebar yet, so if this one dies again, I'll use that one. I don't know why, I'm just not into handlebar cameras as much. They're just fixated, and I like moving my head around more to get the advantage. So we were coming up on this road. It should be a closed gate. I have no clue where it goes. We're not too far from the actual highway. And there's no signs that say no trespassing. So, let's see where we go. Immediately a different type of gravel. very chunky. That goes up, this goes left. This is very loose. I'm near 83, which is the route I was headed to originally, but I don't know if this will take me there. This is really rough. I wonder if this is the hunting area. Huh. Well, let's go down slowly. Alright then, that wasn't too bad. So, this is Coal Hill Road. If y'all ever come out here and you like the look of this, definitely take it up. The gates are open for now. I don't know if it's going to be like that for long, but... Oh, there, look at that, they had some extra gravel. Fooled me. Alright. Well, it took me back to the road I wanted to go on, so that's nice. Time to get going. I run into town, get gas, and then what time is it? It's only 1:21, but it'll take me some time to run around the camp spots, see what I can find. Just getting a little hot. ended up backtracking quite a bit and started going up some of the side roads. Well, I ended up finding this little tucked away cul-de-sac. This might be pretty nice. I mean, it's about as good as I'm gonna get. It's a little early though. I'm kind of concerned. I'll hang out for a while, see what I feel like. And there's a bed. I got 2 big pillows because I'm bougie. A big freaking air mattress. A 0-degree sleeping bag. And my favorite blankie. Alright. Let's go outside and enjoy the nice air before it gets too dark. So I'm probably going to get the question, how does this compare to the MABDR trip I did? And I mean, right away there's a few distinctions. Like, this is an overnight trip, and I'm camping. I'm not staying in hotels. Elevation isn't really an issue either. I mean, the bike is run pretty good today. It only got hot once. I don't know, it's just a smaller scale. Does it compare? Sure. Yeah, I mean, it's similar roads, similar obstacles. I mean, the same situations. But the difference here is I've been riding around in a circle almost all day. Backtracking on a couple of roads, and then trying out some new gravel roads, which, I mean, I probably got to maybe a fraction of them out here. If I wanted to go further east and north, I've got more GPX files for my Garmin to follow. So, I don't know, depending on tomorrow how I feel, I might pick one of them out and follow one all the way back up north, and then pick up a highway on the way back. But I mean, does this trip compare to the MABDR trip I had? Slightly. It made me think of it a lot today, actually, and just how fortunate I was to actually be able to go on that. And I think that trip taught me a lot. Like, it didn't give me overconfidence in my ability, but it gave me the confidence to go out into the unknown and try. And I mean, I think trying is the hardest part for a lot of people, especially me. just getting your foot in the door. I think that's what the trip really taught me. So, hopefully that answers your question, if you're even asking that. So, I actually ordered this burner from Amazon, like the night before I left for this trip. If I remember, I'll put a link in the description for what it is, but it was like 50 bucks, but I got it overnight. Tonight's dinner is beef stroganoff. And I've actually had these before because I bought a bunch of them. Just haven't had the chance to use them. But 41 grams of protein and a shit ton of sodium. So all right. Doesn't look that bad. Yeah. That might be the worst night of sleep I've ever had. Between the raccoons attacking my tent, people driving by all hours of the night, and people packing up and leaving. And then just people talking until 2 o'clock in the morning. And then it started raining. Which there was no rain in the forecast. So I don't think I'm gonna do any trails on the way home today. I think I'm just gonna get home and probably go back to sleep. Till next time, everyone, take it easy.